Hi guys, welcome to Zussiemakesit. This is a very special video that I'm making right now because we got to 1,000 subscribers. Thank you so much for everyone who has subscribed, for everyone who has watched the videos. I hope that you like them and that they're useful to you, because that's my main purpose in this channel, to have these videos be useful to you in your DIY journey and in making your house your home, in making it a better place for you, where you can feel that you're happy and that when you come into your house you find a space where you can just relax and just feel blessed. So thank you so much again. I would like to thank you in a very special way. I had been thinking about it because I had been seeing the numbers go up, and I know that I haven't been very active with videos or anything like that lately because I had to do some life stuff, like get to work and editing does take a lot of time, so I've been leaving that for a little bit to the side. But I do have a lot of things that I've been taking video and I want to share with you. So give me some time. I really want to make time to do some editing, but I really at the same time need to get to work so that I can pay the bills. So it's like a balance thing, and I don't think YouTube in itself is gonna make me like a living as I thought in the beginning, but that's fine. I want to share with you guys all that I'm doing here in this house and help you out with some ideas so that you can also maybe implement them in your house and make it much better, and find other ways, you know, because sometimes you think that it's only one way that you can do things, but it's actually, you just have to use your imagination, be creative, and you can make things happen. I can tell you, because I've done that. Sometimes I feel myself like I'm enclosed in a little square and I'm like, I can't find a way, and then all of a sudden I'm like, actually I can do it this way. I don't have to do it the way that I've seen it be done, but I know that I can manage a way where I know that I can make things happen, and it turns out great. So there's more than one way, is my whole point for this channel. There's more than one way to make things happen, to fix things, and of course where the outcome is a good outcome. So that's my encouragement for you guys. And well, as a way of thanking you, I want to do a giveaway, which is a 1,000 subscriber giveaway, and I'm gonna be giving away some journals and planners, and I'm doing also some keychains that I'm DIYing. So I hope that you like them, and that if you're interested you can come into the giveaway, register and do all the things. So I was telling you that I was kind of like seeing the numbers go up, and I was like, I want to do something for everybody and give back. And so I started doing the giveaway, and then all of a sudden it got busy at work, which is great, but I have it ready, so that's the good news. And so I have been working in doing some planners that I sell on Amazon. So even if you don't win, maybe you want to go check them out. I sell them on Amazon, and I have journals as well. I also have an Etsy shop that I'm trying to get up to speed. Well, I have 2 Etsy shops, so if you want to go check them out too, those are there. And so there's a giveaway. I'm gonna be putting the prices right here. The first prize is a planner, a journal, and a keychain. The second prize is a journal and a keychain, and the third prize is another journal and another keychain. So it's 3 grand prizes, and the rules for the whole thing are gonna be down here below. I also have a website that you can go see the rules at, because I don't remember all the rules at this point. But you have to register, that's for one. You have to like 3 of my videos, and you have to comment on the videos as well. So go check out the website. This is gonna be a short and sweet video. That's all I'm gonna be saying. And there's gonna be a live stream of the winner. We're gonna choose the winner on Sunday the 18th. So make sure to register, make sure to go like those videos. If there's more than 3 videos that you want to do the likes and the comments, that's awesome. That helps my channel grow and tells YouTube, as I've been telling you, that that we're here and that it's a good channel and that you like it and you want to share it with more people. So thank you so much, guys, again for being here with me and for being part of this family, La Familia, La Familia Zussiemakesit. And thank you for everything, because it's been fun to share, and it's been fun to have talked to all the people that I've talked to. I hope that you guys can come over and keep staying here with me and keep me company. And let's see what happens with this channel. I don't know if I'm gonna continue as active as I've been. I haven't been so active either, but I hope to. And I have a lot of recordings and a lot of things that projects that I want to share with you. So thank you so much. Go check out the website, go register, and I'll see you on Sunday the 18th.